My god, this is so heavy. Happy Sunday guys. Today's video is going to be super exciting. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Plus I also have a special surprise for you people. Stay tuned for that part. A lot of people keep looking to buy like professional quality projectors for your home, right? That should have a lot of smart features and things like that. You people came to the right video. We actually have a new projector in the house. Zebronics Pixaplay 29 recently launched in the Indian market and has lots of interesting features. First of all, this is a native 1080p smart projector and has a really high brightness of up to 6500 lumens, plus also has an integrated mini soundbar also with passive bass radiators. And as I've told you, all smart features are there: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all OTT apps built in. So it's like a full-on package, guys. So this is what we'll be unboxing, and I'll be sharing my complete feedback and experience on this product. And now coming to the special surprise part, if this video crosses 10,000 likes, I will literally give this as a gift to a lucky subscriber on the channel. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the notifications bell icon on so you can stay up to date with all the channel updates over here. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our new Pixaplay 29 came in this sort of box packaging. It's a very big box and definitely quite heavy, and you can check out a picture of the product on the front and mentions all of its highlights. Let me quickly unbox it and show you how the actual projector looks like. As soon as you open it, we actually have some accessories over here. You get a mains cord for the projector, some more cables which include a free HDMI cable as well. A lens cleaning kit is also included, and this one is your remote, guys. Projector remote. Compact, stylish and minimal looking remote. All the functions are there, including autofocus buttons as well. And last but not the least, you also have like a round plate, looks like a base stand for the projector. Keeping the accessories aside, now let's finally check out the actual product we've been waiting for. Zebronics all new Pixaplay 29. Oh my god, look at the whole design over here. First of all, talking about the design, Pixaplay 29 has a unique frame design and is actually like quite portable. There's a handle sort of arrangement at the top side where you can hold it and easily carry it anywhere. At the center is where you have the actual projector, guys, and as I've told you, it is rotatable. It's got a geared sort of movement and you can leave it anywhere to adjust the angle as per your convenience. On the front, this is where you have the lens, and as I've told you, it supports autofocus mechanism, so there is no manual adjustment ring. And this one looks like a tiny camera for autofocus correction and a couple of other sensors. There are lots of vents on the sides to let the heat escape and keep it running cool. And going to the top, this is where you have lots of controls, media control buttons basically, which include a power button, some projection feature settings, volume up and down is there, and over here you got the menu, home screen navigation, cursor is also there, plus a OK button at the center. Quality of the buttons is also nice, feel tactile and clicky and offer a good rubber grip. And not only this, you do have like a remote control as well, right? So you can easily use the buttons over here or even on the remote. And look at this, I forgot to show you this. There's also a lock knob over here. So for example, if you set the projector to some particular angle, right, and you want to lock the position, simply rotate this knob and that's it. So by mistake, right, the projection's angle doesn't change. Having a closer look at the bottom profile just behind the speaker unit, this is where you have all the IO connectivity ports, which include a mains cord port. Two HDMI ports are there, so you can easily connect multiple input sources, maybe like your laptop or even like Fire TV sticks, Android TV sticks. It's all up to you. Plus you do have two USB ports available, so you can easily connect storage devices also like pen drives. A 3.5mm headphone jack is also available. So that's it, our complete overview on the projector. And let me tell you, build quality of the projector is also nice. Definitely feels solid. Entire body is made of like good quality polycarbonate material, and I also like the color finishing as well. It comes in a matte gray sort of finish and doesn't seem to attract fingerprints also. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to share my experience and feedback on this model. Setup wet-up sub ho gaya, guys. Plug and play projector, very easy to configure. Anybody can hardly do it in like within 5 minutes. First thing I'll have to talk about is the design and usability. Initially I was a bit skeptical, matlab the whole design is completely different than your ideal projector shape na, but nothing like that. Once you actually start using it, you'll feel this is only much more convenient and portable. Since it has like a handle sort of shape at the top side, you can easily take it from room to room or even take it anywhere on your picnic also. Quite convenient to use. It's not that heavy also as I was expecting. Apart from that, it has like an angle adjustment design, so you can directly place it on a coffee table or your TV desk or even directly on the floor also. Simply adjust the angle, and projector has like autofocus and auto keystone correction, right? So no matter from which distance you're placing it, once you power it on, projector will automatically configure the focus itself and also automatically correct the keystone as well. If there are some sort of manual corrections you want to do, you can go to the settings of the projector and do it, or directly from your projector remote as well. That facility is also there. Now let me show show you the home screen and talk about the software, built-in apps and features. Dual band Wi-Fi support is there, supports 2.4G and 5 GHz as well, and Wi-Fi performance was nice. I've been testing it on both 2.4G and 5 GHz. And coming to Bluetooth, yes, you can connect all your Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth headphones also, and listen to the audio on the go. Keeping all these aside and talking about the home screen, here's how the home screen on it looks like. Very similar sort of skin and UI, just like the other Zebronics Pixaplay projectors we've unboxed in the recent times. You've got plenty of recommendations and content from different sort of platforms, and going down here you can check out a dedicated app store is also there, which offers a couple of apps made for projectors and TVs. Below that you have all your popular OTT apps readily pre-installed. You're getting Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube is also there. So simply connect like Wi-Fi and that's it, set guys. You can directly start enjoying all sorts of content or even movies, web shows, anything that you desire. So that was basically about the home screen, built-in apps, software and features. Overall performance of the projector is also good. I didn't face any sorts of lags and stutters, and app opening, closing, everything was fine, and I had like a decent experience. So what I'll do is I'll quickly play some content over here, maybe on OTT platforms like Netflix or YouTube also. Just have a look at these demos and then I'll be back and share my experience and feedback on the projection picture quality and also the built-in speaker quality.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Retro handheld gaming console. Yo people, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have something exciting in the house. It's a brand new handheld gaming console. So I'm not sure if you people have seen, but this particular gadget has been like crazy viral on Instagram. First of all, let me tell you, Pixaplay 29 is a native 1080p LED projector and it supports a maximum projection size of up to 200 inches guys. So there's plenty amount of detail, good amount of detail actually. Text looks crisp and clear, and I've been using this projector even up to like 150-160 inches also, and had like a crispy picture quality. Usually on a lot of budget sort of projectors, right, the corner to corner sharpness is not that good because they use like a cheaper lens quality. But Zebronics, since this is like a premium quality projector, they have definitely used like a good quality lens, and because of that, not just the central area of the image, even if you look at the corner to corner sharpness, right, everything is like quite uniform and picture actually looks amazing guys. Experience is like really good, definitely offers you like a cinematic feel when you're watching it above 150 inches guys. Great for home sort of purpose. Now coming to the colors are also nice. It is producing rich and accurate looking colors, natural colors, skin tones I would say. And talking about the contrast levels were nice and black levels were also good. On the overall, now for a projector of this price point, I was actually quite impressed with the picture quality. And not only that, look at the brightness as well. Brightness is actually one of its main highlights. It's got a max brightness of around 6500 lumens. So good thing is you don't need to have like complete pitch black darkness to enjoy this projector. Even if you have a little bit of window sources or light sources, nothing to worry, you can easily check out the movie. That is the benefit of having higher lumens and brightness. Only thing I felt is wish this projector had 4K playback support as well, but it only supports up to 1080p. Keeping the picture quality aside, now let me tell you about the built-in speaker quality also. As I've told you, Pixaplay 29 actually features like an integrated mini soundbar which has like a speaker and also passive bass radiator, and combined they were producing really good and warm sort of sound guys. I mean, there was definitely good amount of detail, crisp and clear vocals, all the movie dialogues were clear and easily understandable, and overall audio output also loud and sufficient for home purpose guys. Unless you are like an audiophile and who's looking for like a real cinema 5.1 or 7.1 Dolby Atmos experience, this integrated speaker will definitely get your job done. Well, that's it guys, time to wrap it up. Our video on Zebronics all new Pixaplay 29. If you are looking for a professional quality smart LED projector under 30,000 rupees, then you can definitely go for it. It's a really good projector. You're getting native 1080p resolution. All smart features are there with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also has like a powerful integrated Dolby audio speaker as well. It's like a total package, as I've told you. And coming to the pricing part, this thing costs around 29,999 rupees in the Indian market. Links for that will be available in the description box below. Not to forget, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the notifications bell icon on so you can stay up to date with all the updates on our channel. And I'll see you all in my next one.